This is Optima Lakeview, just steps away from Lake Michigan and the Lakefront Trail, a full-service luxury building designed for people who want access to the city without living in the noise of downtown. Today we are touring a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment offering just under 2,000 square feet of refined contemporary space. As you enter, you see how spacious this place is. The main living and dining area is anchored by a modern kitchen designed for both daily use and entertaining. Just off the living area, a private outdoor terrace extends the space even further. Room for grilling, space to sit outside with guests, a rare layer of private outdoor access that adds flexibility for both everyday living and hosting. Flat panel cabinetry, stone countertops, full-size stainless appliances, generous prep space and storage. This is not a show kitchen. It is built to function. The living space flows naturally from the kitchen, offering flexibility for formal dining, relaxed seating, or a work-from-home setup. Natural light carries through the space, keeping the tone bright and open. The primary suite is positioned for privacy, large enough to comfortably accommodate a king-size bed and additional seating. A walk-in closet provides substantial storage. The ensuite bath features a long double vanity with stone counters, modern cabinetry, and a glass-enclosed shower. The secondary bedrooms offer versatility, guest space, and a dedicated office. As a professional relocating to Chicago, flexibility matters, and this layout delivers it. Lakeview offers a balance few Chicago neighborhoods can match. You are moments from the lakefront, running and biking trails, neighborhood cafés, and some of the city's most established restaurants. Transit access is simple. Downtown is reachable. But you return home to a residential setting with character. For professionals considering a move to Chicago, this location delivers a lifestyle without compromise. Modern space, full amenity building, lake access, and a walkable neighborhood. Optima Lakeview is about living well in one of the city's most established lakefront communities. A full-size laundry room with built-in storage adds daily convenience rarely found in urban rentals. Now step outside the residence and the building begins to differentiate itself. Optima Lakeview is centered around a dramatic, multi-story atrium, flooded with natural light from above. The interior architecture creates a sense of openness and community without sacrificing privacy. The resident lounge is designed for entertaining. A full bar setup, expansive seating, space for private events or casual evenings with friends. A full indoor basketball court, a professional-grade golf simulator. These amenities are built for daily use. On the rooftop, a pool and spa are positioned with open skyline exposure. In summer, this becomes an extension of your living space. In winter, the city still surrounds you. Outside the building, Lakeview offers a balance few Chicago neighborhoods can match. Ready to find your perfect Lakeview apartment? Click the link in the description.